In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly why live trading with your own money is a thing of the past, and why prop firms are the future, and why they can produce the best possible results for the least amount of risked money. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Trades by Mo, and in this video I'm going to go over exactly why you should already be trading with a 100k prop firm account. I'm then going to go over where you might want to get that prop firm account, and then finally I'm going to show you some strategies. So as you can see on this spreadsheet right here, we have a $1,000 account. This would be the live with your own risked $1,000. And then this right here is a 100k prop firm account. So these are the stats and results that we'll go over now. I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now, and back to the video. So you can see for the results, I've based this off 70% win rate, so this is 70 wins and 30 losses, with a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio for both. The total gain for a 70% win rate will be $2,097.39. That is a gain of 109.74%, and your total profit would be $1,097.39. So overall that is pretty good, but the problem that comes with a live account is you have to first save up this money and then invest it from your own personal savings. And for a lot of people nowadays especially, this can be a very hard thing to do. And it can also be quite psychologically daunting to be able to risk that $1,000 that might have took you so long to save up. But there is a silver lining, and the perfect alternative that I believe and what I used to personally trade with is a prop firm. Now, you can use a 100k prop firm like here, and you can see that with a 70% win rate, so all these stats are the same, it's still with a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. The total profit on a 70% win rate will be $209,738.81. But you can see the profit has jumped massively down here, going from almost 1,100 on the live to nearly $110,000 profit. Now with a prop firm you only keep 80% of all profits, but that is still $87,791. Now the cost to set these up for the live account for the 1,000, obviously the setup cost for that is $1,000 of your own hard-earned money, and that's what you will be risking. But to set up a 100k account, it only costs $499, depending on where you get it from, but usually they're about half the price, so it is half of the price of that. And once you pass phase 1 and 2, you'll get the live account and you will be refunded this amount. So essentially it costs £0, and it gives everyday people that work normal jobs the chance to escape the 9 to 5 rat race and get massive profits. So you might be asking where to get a prop firm account. I'm going to show you now. The first one of my recommendations is My Forex Funds. You can see they have a plethora of accounts down here, but the $100,000 account here costs $499, and you can see it says right there refundable registration fee. So once you get to the live account, that'll come out with your first withdrawal. You have to pass phase 1, which is to get an 8% profit on the account, and then you pass phase 2 and it'll reset, and then you just got to get 5% on the account. And then you'll have a live account, and your first payout you will receive this $499 back plus whatever profits you've earned. Now the other one that I recommend is FTMO. They're a very stable and trusted prop firm. You can see they have a bunch of different accounts here, and they have normal and aggressive. But you can see here for the 100k account the refundable fee is €540, which is about $575 I believe, so it costs a little bit more. But once you gain access to these accounts, you have all the stats and graphs and everything that come with it, so you can easily track your trading. Okay, so you might be wondering, that's all good and well, but I need a strategy that can make 70%, or around that anyway. Well, that is why I'm showing off today's sponsor, which is TraderEdge. But on the TraderEdge software, you can see that you've got this sidebar here, and down on indicators and strats, which means strategies, you have all of these different strategies that are listed down here, and they show how many trades they took to get these win rates. But you can see 69%, 72% win rate, 73, 75, 77, and there's a couple lower ones. But as long as you're getting 50% or above, the 1.5 to 1% risk is going to make you profitable long term. I remember trading is long term, not short term. But definitely go check out TraderEdge and check out some of these strategies. The link is down below, and they also give you courses worth $490 when you sign up. But thank you very much for clicking on this video. I very much appreciate it. Thank you to TraderEdge for sponsoring this video. Get that 100k funded and get away from the rat race as quick as possible. Never, ever, ever risk your live money again. My name's Trades by Mo, and thank you for watching.